Can we still make $300 per day with Instacart challenge? That's my only goal. Let's get it.
Y'all want the drip, 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 drip. Y'all want the drip, drip. I know the faucet, I know the faucet. Y'all want the drip, 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 drip. Chasing the bag, the clout, the fame, man. Y'all need to stop it. Y'all need to stop it. I know the faucet, I know the faucet, I know the faucet, I know the faucet, I know. Y'all want the drip, 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 drip. Drip, drip. Y'all want the drip, drip. I know the faucet, I know the faucet, I know the y'all want the drip.
Yo, team, run it up. What's poppin'? Hey, good morning. Let's get it. I've been up, not gonna lie, but I couldn't find my camera for the first batch that I did at 7 o'clock, which was a 55, went down to 54, right? So I did a 55. Second batch right now, it's a double store batch. And it's not that bad actually. $79 double store, but we at Restaurant Depot. We all hate Restaurant Depot, but I looked at the items. It doesn't look that bad, so we're gonna go ahead and crush it. Yeah, it is what it is. We're gonna bang this out. $79 on top of the $54, and it's not even 9 o'clock yet. Let's get it. Team, run it up. So this is the moment of truth with Instacart, where you do not let them screw you over, because you'll be at 100 plus like I am right now at 10:30, and then all of a sudden see no batches for 2 hours. Just take whatever is decent and keep it moving. Keep running it up, keep stacking it up. You're gonna hit 300 plus easy. If you wait for bangers, you're not gonna, I'm telling you, if you just wait for the best orders, you ain't gonna make no more money. They're gonna put you on ice. They always do it. I'm used to the routine, and I'm not gonna let it happen this time. Let's get it. Team, run it up. Oh, snap. Yo, this car just ran directly into the carts, and now they're peeling off. They're running. They're embarrassed. I wanna see their car. 37, 4 miles. My boys, yo, my boys crushing it too. What are you at right now?
127.
127 at 1050. 1050, 127. They made me wait about 20 more minutes, but I got a batch. We're not stopping. My batch actually went up, so I'm at 121. Plus this is gonna be 150 something, so that's pretty good. So let's go ahead and crush this. $31, 4 miles, easy single batch. Let's do this. Yo, fam, so something dope happened with that order. They gave me a $23 add-on, 20-something add-on, but hey, we at 180 right now, and it's 12 o'clock. Let's get it, yo. We're running it up right now. I told you we're not sitting around for anything. I took a 30 that turned into a 50 plus. Let's get it. Team, run it up. We love that. So same deal. We ain't sitting around. I'm not sitting around. We gonna take them back to back. Let's get it. Hey, yo, fam, this is what I'm talking about. Instacart tries to stop you, right? So I got the highest right now. Nobody has more than me in my area right now at this time. So they're not showing me the orders that they're showing everybody else, right? So I'm at 180 by 12. It was like 12:20, right? Like 12 o'clock, something like that. I was already at 180. It's 12:40 right now. They haven't shown me anything. There's one batch on my screen, and the other one they showed me was 13 miles for like $10. Not doing that, right? Then my boy walks by me. I'm like, yo, what'd you get? He got a 49. Then this girl I know, what'd she get? A 25, right? And they're not like not super easy batches, but still they're showing them those batches. They're not showing me because they know I'm gonna take it, and they know I'm gonna run it up. They don't want to. They try to keep us all in a little bubble. It's not gonna happen. Next decent batch they show me, I'm taking. I'm just waiting for at least one. Sometimes they don't show it to you, but as soon as you see something, just take it and run. That's why you don't wait for the best batches all the time. I'm not doing it. I'm still gonna come off on top. Let's get it. Yo, let's go. Let's get it. They messing up. They messing up, man. They showed me a 30 delivery, only 5 miles. Let's get it. Yeah, bro. You seen it?
I just missed it, bro.
Bro, I told you I'm not waiting around. How you doing? Hey, look, $20. Bella's in here too. What are you at right now?
Me?
Yeah.
155.
155.
But it's bad. This average is really terrible, bro.
What?
This average is terrible.
I know, it is horrible. Hey, check this out, yo. So, I'll see you later, bro. Everybody else is around like $150 for the day. I just swiped a $20 delivery only. Quick, fast. This is gonna put me at $230 for the day, so I mean, I can't complain. Let's get it. Team, run it up. 10-minute delivery. 10-minute delivery, so I'm not mad at that. $20 in 10 minutes. Because it really didn't even take me no time to put all this stuff in the bag. Easy. Let's get it. All right, so we back at it. I just swiped it 36, yeah, 36, I believe. 6 miles, double. 48 items, not the greatest batch, but it's better than sitting around. Ain't that right, Adam?
Just cancel. I'll take it.
No, I'll take it. I'll take it. Here's the deal. I just swiped a double store batch that I really don't want to do. My car's gonna smack your car, Adam. The wind is horrible. I just swiped a double store batch, $53, and it's gonna put me over 300 for the day. Easy over 300. Adam, what are you at?
233.
233. You gotta be over 300 today, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure, you gotta get it. I'm gonna go crush this so I can get back and try to get one more. All right, bro. All right, so after this, I'm gonna try to get one more, but this puts me over 300. Let's get it. Team, run it up. We did it.
Y'all want the drip, 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 drip. Chasing the bag, the clout, the fame, man. Y'all need to stop it. Y'all need to stop. I know the faucet. I know. I know the faucet. I know. I know the faucet. I know. I know the faucet. I